Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with crochetpatternsforbeginners.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to talk about how to use a stitch marker in the round. When you have a pattern that says move the stitch marker up after each round, this is exactly what you need to do. Okay, what I did is I've already laid down the first round. I joined the yarn where it said in the pattern, and this is a baby booty pattern, and you can find this on our baby website, myhandmadebaby.com. And so what I did was I marked the first stitch that I joined the yarn at the accent color. Okay, so we're going to take that out. And remember now, this is number 1. And this is where you want to put the marker if it just tells you to move it up. This way what you're doing is you're not counting, you're not going to have like a little seam in your piece, but you're just going to keep going like this, which is basically a spiral, so there's no seam, and I like that it's seamless and it just looks nicer to me. So what you want to do is, okay, we've crocheted according to the pattern into that stitch. Now we're going to put our marker back into it because we're going to move it up, and then we're just going to quickly do one round here to show you. I'm going to go all the way around. So this would be round 2 of the pattern. Again, I'm just crocheting according to the pattern, so get up here. All right, now I'm one before the stitch marker, so I'm just going to go right into that last stitch of the round. This is the first stitch of the round, this is the last stitch of the round, and now we're not going to slip stitch to join. So what we're going to do is just take our marker and we're going to start our next round, and then we're going to put the marker right back in. This is so that we know how many rounds we've done and that they're even. And a lot of times on the very last round, that's when you will slip stitch to join. So that's how we use a stitch marker, by moving it up after each round to keep our round numbers correct. All right, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to check out our patterns at crochetpatternsforbeginners.com and myhandmadebaby.com. If you're a knitter, we also have knitting patterns for beginners.com. Happy crocheting!